An exciting start to the week as we witness yet another twist in the telltale of ZANU-PF factionalism and the tug of war between Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy, even Vice President Chiwenga. Things are getting exciting. Things are getting things are getting dangerously close to a shutdown between Emmerson Mnangagwa and his Vice President VP Chiwenga, because recently at an event, something to do with the Catholic Church, we don't care really what it was, but what we do care about is the words that were spoken by Constantino Chiwenga, and he didn't mince his words. He compared Mnangagwa's bid for Cab 3 to the story of Hezekiah in the Bible. Now, if you are familiar with the story of Hezekiah, he was told by God that he was going to die, and then he pleaded with God and got 15 more years. But he then spent the 15 years under in prison because Babylon had sieged Israel. So, Constantino Chiwenga, they giving an example in similitude of that story to this fresh bid by Emmerson Mnangagwa to want to extend his term actually to 2030. And he said that ED can get his 5 years, but is he going to get them as president of Zimbabwe, or is he going to get them in prison? Interesting stuff coming up. Interesting words and strong words there coming from Constantino Chiwenga. How bad indirectly, because he said it in an indirect way, but anyone can put one and one together and know that he's talking about Emmerson Mnangagwa and his bid to extend his presidential term. So things are boiling over, because recently, leading up to these events, we have been seeing them being covered, not being so open. But now one of the parties has candidly come out and he has sort of taken a jibe at Emmerson Mnangagwa, hasn't he? And now we wait for the retaliation. Is Mnangagwa going to give any heed to this? Is he going to retaliate in any way? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If it's your first time here, subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section down below, because that's what we are here for. We are here to interact. We are here to hear your thoughts. And yes, things in ZANU-PF are really getting interesting. But such strong words from Constantino Chiwenga surely mean that he has got something up his sleeve. He has got a solid plan against Emmerson Mnangagwa, because if you watch the video and if you read the facial expressions of Constantino Chiwenga, he seems to be a man that is sure of his cards. He seems to be a man that is sure of what he is saying. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.